Welcome to our factory order guide. If this is your first time buying a specific model, before you proceed with your factory order, we suggest taking a test drive. Even if we don't have your desired configuration in stock, you'll get a feel for the vehicle to ensure it meets your needs. First step is choosing your vehicle. You can use the build and price tool on our website to research the different models and find the trim level that best suits your needs. Toggle between specific features, colors, and options to see pricing changes in real time. Ready to order? Our team will make it easy to build your vehicle with an experience customized to you in the dealership, at your home, or over the phone, wherever is easiest for you. They'll walk through all the features and options you have chosen, review additional accessories, and make sure you don't miss any important details. We'll discuss your finance and lease options, as well as review any Ford available rebates or incentives. Outside of building your exact perfect ride, when you factory order, you get the benefit of choosing which incentives are best for you, those at the time of ordering or those at the time of delivery. When all the details have been covered, we'll verify and finalize your order, then submit on your behalf. Your sales consultant will provide you with updates on the manufacturing progress and the vehicle's status. We'll also give you a code so you can track your vehicle's progress online. We will inform you when your vehicle is ready for delivery after our team completes an inspection and installs any desired accessories, expel paint protection film, and decals. You will have the opportunity to test drive the vehicle before finalizing the purchase. When you are completely satisfied, you'll meet with your dedicated finance manager to complete the purchase. At delivery time, your sales consultant will guide you through the vehicle's features and functions, help you connect your devices, and set up your Ford Pass app and Ford Pass reward points to start earning valuable points right away. Drive your brand new, personalized vehicle home. We'll make factory ordering a vehicle an exciting and rewarding experience. If you have any further questions or need assistance, please contact our sales team. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to taking great care of you.